Ever dreamed of bringing your anime visions to life? Let's dive into creating stunning anime-style animations using Adobe Animate. First, let's create our character. Start with a rough sketch, focusing on key features like large eyes and expressive hairstyles that define the anime aesthetic. Refine your lines, ensuring they are clean and crisp for that authentic look. In Adobe Animate, use the pen tool to trace over your sketch. Create separate layers for each element: head, body, limbs. This allows for independent movement later. Remember, smooth lines are key. Now for the magic animation. Understanding keyframes is crucial. Start with a pose, create a new keyframe further down the timeline, and adjust the character's pose to the next action. For a walk cycle, break it down into key poses: contact, down, passing, up. Practice these until the motion flows naturally. Use easing to make the movement feel less robotic and more fluid. Don't forget the background. Import or create your scene elements in Animate. Use layers to create depth and parallax scrolling, making your world feel alive. Combine your character and background, tweak timing and effects, and voila! You've created a compelling anime sequence. Now go forth and unleash your unique stories, frame by frame.